How can we efficiently find the HCF of larger numbers? We can use the prime factorization method. This method is usually faster when dealing with large numbers. Remember, prime factorization is expressing a number as a product of its prime factors. First, we find the prime factors for both numbers. Next, identify the common primes. Finally, we select the lowest power of each common prime and multiply them. Find the HCF of 18 and 24 using prime factorization. The prime factors of 18 are 2 times 3 squared. The prime factors of 24 are 2 cubed times 3. The common primes are 2 and 3. We take the lowest power of each, 2 power 1 and 3 power 1. Multiply the lowest powers. The HCF is 6. Try finding the HCF of 8 and 20 using prime factorization. Pause and find the lowest powers of the common prime factors. The answer is 4. Let's quickly review the key facts about using prime factorization for HCF. First, find the complete prime factorization of each number. Select only the common prime factors, choosing the one with the lowest exponent. Multiply the selected lowest powers to get the HCF. This method is fast and efficient, especially for finding the HCF of large numbers. Tap subscribe, and see you next time.